Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain a simple thing. For example, if you have a database where there is a serial number, date and other columns, etc. And here either you can do it like this for serial number, that 1 2, and then you can drag it. But if you want that there should be a serial number, an auto serial number here, if there is something in this cell, otherwise it should be blank. For example, if I haven't done anything in the below cells, so here I see a serial number. Now I do not want an auto serial number which should be written here all the time, and I just want that when someone types anything in this cell, so here a serial number should appear after the serial number, after the above serial number. So simple way is, for example, 2nd January. So here you see, now for example someone is writing 15 January, so 4. Anything, when someone write anything in this cell, so there a serial number appears, otherwise there is no serial number. Now the simple way here is how to do that. The first one should be there. After that, what you need to do is to use if formula, is equal to if this cell, if the content of this cell is greater than 0. It means if there is something in this cell, so this was the logical text. Now value if true. If this is true, then what? Comma. Now here you type simple this plus 1. You add on another serial number to the above one, and this is value f true, value f false. If there is nothing available here, then if this condition doesn't meet, then there should be just inverted commas, these and closed. This is used for blank cell. When you want that there should nothing be available in the cell, so you just use quotation marks. So you just type start and end, and that's it. Close the bracket, and here you see there is nothing available. Now if I type, for example, 29 January or anything, so here you see now there is this 2 available. Now if here I type anything, so there is nothing. Why? Then you need to drag it, and just drag it as much as you want, and nothing will be visible. Don't worry about that. You see, nothing is visible. But when you type something, so here you see all these serial numbers are. I made this session because there were some questions from me, and there is a friend of mine in Dubai, and he asked this. So I wanted to make a video on that and share that with you all also. Maybe you also need it. If you visit my channel, so you will see the sessions on Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Windows, online KOBO forms, Microsoft forms, Google forms, and many other sessions. So go there, watch all these tutorials, comment, like, and share with your friends and family members. And this session will continue. I am working on the next session and will upload soon.